Today, we will be showing you guys how to customize your header and footer on the CR180. You want to start by pressing number 4 and key mode. Then you want to go down to the 4th option that says header and trailer and press your cache button to enter. To customize your header, you want to press enter on the 1st option and you want to go down to the 3rd line and press enter. Here you may type out your header, once you're done, press your cache button to enter. For the next line, you want to select the line right below the first one and press enter. And once you're done, press enter. Once you're done with the header, press your card button to exit. And you may go down to the 2nd option that says trailer and press enter. Here, you may press enter to customize the bottom of your receipt. And once you are done, you could press number 1 in key mode. And to test it out,